If you don't like gyms but still want to stay fit and healthy, then this workout is for you. It's perfect for beginners. Get ready for a quick and easy 10-minute home workout. No fancy equipment needed, just your body and a bit of space. First up, jumping jacks. Do these for 30 seconds to get your heart rate up and blood pumping. Next, we have squats. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart and lower yourself like you're sitting in a chair. 15 reps, let's go. Feel the burn in those legs. Now on to push-ups. Can't do a full push-up? No worries. Drop to your knees and do 10 modified push-ups. You got this. Time for some plank holds. Get into a push-up position, but hold it. Keep your body straight and hold for 20 seconds. Feel that core working. Let's not forget lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. 10 reps on each side. You're doing great. Finally, let's cool down with some stretching. Reach for your toes, stretch those arms, and take deep breaths. Hold each stretch for 10 seconds. And that's it. A quick and easy workout you can do at home. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Like and follow for daily routines and more fitness tips. Let's add some mountain climbers to the mix. Do these for 30 seconds to really get your heart pumping. Next, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and pedal your legs like you're riding a bike. Do 20 reps to work those abs. Now let's cool down again with some more stretching. Reach for your toes, stretch those arms, and take deep breaths. Hold each stretch for 10 seconds, and that's it. A quick and easy workout you can do at home. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Like and follow for daily routines and more fitness tips.